If you want to understand how a single book completely revolutionized homeopathic case analysis, you have to look at the genius of Baron Clemens von Boenninghausen and his therapeutic pocket book, famously known as BTPB. Before Boenninghausen came along, early practitioners were struggling. The materia medica was expanding rapidly, and finding a matching remedy for a complex patient was like searching for a needle in an absolute haystack. If a patient had a highly specific symptom that wasn't recorded exactly that way in the provings, doctors were completely stuck. Boenninghausen's absolute stroke of genius was looking at this chaotic maze and realizing that a symptom doesn't just exist in a vacuum or in one isolated body part. He broke every complete symptom down into four foundational pillars: location, sensation, modalities, and concomitant. But here is where the true magic happened. He noticed that if a patient experiences a tearing pain in their elbow that got significantly worse in damp weather, that damp weather aggravation wasn't just exclusive to the elbow, it belonged to the entire person. He pioneered the doctrine of grand generalization. He stripped the modalities and sensations away from the localized body parts, gathered them into broad categories, and allowed practitioners to combine them like building blocks. This completely solved the problem of fragmented case taking. Suddenly, you didn't need 100-word hyper-specific rubric matching your patient's exact complaints. By using his structured inductive method, you could take a unique sensation from the leg, a modality from the headache, combine them with the location, and reconstruct a flawless image of the required remedy. He didn't just stop at organizing symptoms, he also introduced a brilliant evaluation of remedies using 5 distinct ranks or gradation, based purely on clinical verification. It took the guesswork out of the prescribing. The BTPB isn't just an old historical text, it is a mathematical and philosophical masterpiece. It teaches us to stop looking at the body as a collection of disconnected parts and start looking at the patient as a unified whole. That is the true lasting genius of Boenninghausen, and it is exactly why the BTPB remains one of the most reliable clinical tools in the world. Thank you.